Yes, students, today we are going to learn or to read the new chapter, that is going to the village. Chapter 5, going to the village. Are you from village? No, you are not from village, you are from town area, right. Here in this chapter we will see and we will read and we will come to know the village area and the town area, both sides. Okay. Here in this chapter, Aditi, Nitya and their parents, one day they got holidays, and this Aditi and Nitya and their families, they are belongs to the town area. So when they got holidays, they are going to the village, their relatives' house, Aditi's and Nitya's uncle and auntie's house. They are going. So while going, they are going by train, and in that train they are sitting and they are having the beautiful conversation. They are very much excited to go their uncle's and auntie's house, and they are very much so many times they are asking Papa how their house will be, how they have will they have some farm or their house, how it will be, so on. They are going on questioning to their parents. Okay. Now before reading this chapter, we will see the difficult words and the word meaning. Okay. We will see in this chapter there are difficult words, or we can say dictation words, and the word meaning. First, we will please repeat after me. I have written this difficult word in this page, and you have to repeat after me. After that we will read the chapter. Okay. You have to read and you have to by heart this spelling, that is called, we can dictation also it will be. Okay. So going to the village, from this chapter I have found this many difficult words for you, and you may get more, no problem. When you get, you underline it. Okay. Now cousins, banyan, repeat after me. Stories, station, comfortable, parked, sugarcane, wonder, touched, that means these are touched means made of straw, roof, the roof of straw, that is called touched. Platform, tractor, fields, and the word meaning keeps glancing means keeps looking out. Courtyard, what is called courtyard? An open area inside a house surrounded by walls. These are in the book, there is only 2 word meaning. Okay. You have to learn, and these are you have to write in your notebooks. Now open your book, page number 41, chapter 5, going to the village. Yes, ready? Now you have to listen my reading, and you have to later you have to read and practice the chapter. Okay. Nitya is telling here both conversation is going on. So Nitya, Aditi, mother, father, they are the main, they are having conversation. So I am going to read the chapter. Nitya is telling, how much longer I am waiting to play with the calves and feed the ducks. Aditi is telling, do you think they have rabbits there? Mother, there were no rabbits when I was child. There are large fields. You can play with your cousins. Aditi, had what the uncle Naresh and auntie Rajuta do? Mother, they work on the farm. They grow sugarcane and rice. Rajuta auntie also runs the girls' school. Father, they started it last year so that the girls in the village can study in a school nearby. Sometimes when it is school, they have their classes under a banyan tree. Nitya, I'd love to make friends with all of them. Father, look like our station is just a few minutes away. Aditi, how will we reach the farm? Are there autos and taxis to take us there? Father, no. There are buses nearby. Your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. We can ride on it to the village. Nitya, I wonder what kind of house they live in. Mother is telling, the house has trees all around it and a courtyard in the center. There is a well at the back. When we were young, we used to sit under the trees at night. Grandpa would tell us stories. The people of village would gather to listen to the stories. Sometimes when it was very hot, we would sleep under the trees. They smelled so good and it felt so cool. Aditi, the houses in the city are usually small. Mother, well, many houses in the village are small too. Some of them have thatched roofs. Some houses are big and have tiled roofs. Father, the train is about to stop at our station. Come, pick up the bags and move towards the exit. Remember, it will stop here for just 2 minutes. The families gets off at the station. The platform is small and almost empty. Nitya, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rajuta. Uncle, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? Aditi, we did. Auntie, come this way. The tractor is parked at that end of the station. Nitya, will you drive the tractor? Auntie, Aditi is asking, why not? Would you and Aditi like to sit beside me in front? Nitya, yes, we would. Aditi, what fun will the tractor take us through the field? Uncle, no, it might spoil the crops. However, you can see these fields as we drive by. So you have to read, you have to practice this chapter, okay, and your homework will be this. You have to write the word meaning and the difficult word for the dictation, and the exercise later on we will do. Thank you.